morning. It's August 27th, 2024. And we're at Squirrel City here. It's all oak trees where squirrels love oak trees because they drop acorns, which is their main source of food. And the deer eat the acorns too, so they're in competition for it. But we have an update with the watering station, Nature's watering station. We switched to dog bowls because they were so much easier to clean. Now we need to empty it just before dark because we got mosquito season and we don't want to breed mosquitoes. I've got ponds, not too far away, maybe a quarter mile, where the bees and the bugs and all can get drinks, and the birds. What's been drinking out of my watering stations are rabbits and squirrels, and probably possums. Because I'm out here in the country, so we have everything. Bobcats. We have bears, actually. I saw a bear the other day with my vehicle. He was going to cross the road. So yeah, we need to empty these because you can actually catch mosquitoes. You won't think, mosquitoes aren't going to find that one little bowl of water. Take a dark pail and put a 1/2 inch of water in it and put it on your porch and look in the morning in a dark spot. And in the morning, you'll see there's like 100 mosquitoes in there trying to lay eggs. And there's a trap online, showing how it's a trap to kill them. You actually spray them with 90% rubbing alcohol out of a sprayer, and that will kill the mosquitoes instantly. And then you dump the water, somewhere away from your house. Since I'm out in the country and we have a lot of squirrels and rabbits that are drinking out of these watering stations, I have 3 of them over here at Squirrel City, and then I have a big pine tree over on the other side of my property that provides a lot of shade, and I have a big watering station over there, and then one little one near the bird feeder. We have gotten some rain, so we're getting a little greenery. There's not a lot of clover growing, but there is some. And that's what the rabbits like to eat. So I slowed down on their feed and just let them find their own food. Especially the young ones now, they got to learn how to find their own food. That's why if you're gonna throw out sunflower seeds for them, always scatter them in a little 3-foot area maybe, that way they're used to finding their food. You don't want them to get used to eating out of a bowl.